finally, we want to think about the ears. Now, normally we're viewing the face from the front, so the idea of having just a little sliver of ear is quite useful. The ear is, as you would expect, an ear shape, slightly more bulbous at the top, tapering towards the bottom. Again, observe carefully because all ears are subtly different. Some people have hanging lobes, some people don't. And the shape of ears, very different depending on the individual. There's a fold of cartilage that goes just inside the outline of the ear that echoes that shape, and sometimes it fades out quite high up, sometimes it carries all the way down and fades out much lower. There's a fold of cartilage just inside at the top here, and the ear hole itself again echoes the shape of the ear to some extent. Sometimes this is very pronounced, sometimes not. It tends to be darker slightly at the top, harder edged, slightly harder edged and darker at the bottom, with an area in the middle that's a bit softer. Sometimes there's quite a pronounced fold under the ear hole. Sometimes it's very subtle. And sometimes just a little bit of shadow down the back of the ear there. As ever, from this point forwards, it's all about observing the detail and trying to get as much of that in as possible. Now, all of these features are just intended as a basic template, and there's absolutely no substitute for good observation.